Hi guys, okay, so I am going through today my big pile of nice mail that has been building up while I've been trying to sort out the flat. I've got 2 letters from Kat over at Kat's Planner. Thank you. That I'm going to open. I'll open the one that I got first actually. Oh, this is cute. I have loved the stars too fondly to be fearful of the night. This art print is inspired by the vaporwave aesthetic. Can't wait to send you some goodies from Japan next month. Oh, that's amazing. I forgot that Kat went to Japan. Lucky, lucky. I would love to go to Japan. And then we've got these gorgeous washi tapes. We've got these gorgeous washi tapes as well. Yeah. Really beautiful blues. Oh, I think that one's that way. Because we've got the 2 buildings there. Really, really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. And then we have another one here. Hey Alex, feel free to give this postcard to someone. I decided not to write a message this time so that it would be possible. Let me know if this works for you. Yes, that works. I hope you enjoy the grab bag I send you and have an amazing holiday season. So here we have, and I will link all the details in the description box below, like Kat's YouTube channel and her shop and stuff. This is a gorgeous print. Happy holidays. Really, really beautiful. And then we have this fabulous grab bag here. And you can get these grab bags in her shop. I get them because I am one of her members. So we've got some more washi tape samples here. Really, really pretty, and I love the gold gilding there. Really beautiful. We've got some botanical sort of ones up here, and I love the grid. That bright blue is beautiful. And then we have some under the sea creatures here. So we've got a dolphin, and we've got a crab, and some sort of fish, some coral, a snail maybe, a flip-flop, and a shell, some seaweed and an anchor, and we have some sticky notes here. Oh, what's this? Oh, and some more seaweed there. So we've got this beautiful blue, like little post-it note bits with leaves on. We have got a lily pad, which is super cute. And we've got this like little note piece that's got a cup and a spoon on a blanket there. And is this a sticky one? Or no, just a note paper there. And it's got a little snowman. That's super cute. Some of this gorgeous grid paper. This cute little sticky with a teddy bear. And then, oh, like this, like watercolour effect sticky note. And a blue one. And a jar sticker. A little froggy sticky note. We've got this beautiful green vellum piece. And a grid paper. Some more papers. And a gorgeous butterfly with blues and greens. Just a little hint of red. Really, really pretty. Some more sort of paper, little samples, pieces. Really beautiful. I love this textured paper. That's gorgeous. I really want to stop making paper. I do need to get this place sorted first though. Before I have random sheets of paper everywhere. Oh, I love this koi paper. That's beautiful. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Kat. That is amazing. And as I say, I will leave Kat's details in the description box below. My Happy Mail sub box from Rainbow Crafter. And again, I will leave all her details in the description box below. So you can go and check her out. Right. Right. Happy Mail. Ooh, Christmas themed. This is gorgeous. Okay, so we have this beautiful card that says Merry Christmas, and it's got these, I'll take it out of the packaging actually, so avoid any glare. So, no, it has not got her stamp though. This gorgeous bauble, and it's got really beautiful little glittery snowflakes with this cute little stamped image of the snowman looking up at the sky, obviously looking out for Father Christmas, clearly. And then this beautiful script, Merry Christmas script, and then it is blank on the inside. So that is really, really pretty. And then we have this package here, and it's one of her gorgeous sewn bags that you can reuse because it's got like a Velcro tab. Hot chocolates. Can't wait. I cannot wait. I want to set up a hot chocolate station this year. But I want to do it by myself because all the ones that you can buy are so expensive. It's silly. We've got this cute little penguin shaker. Really, really pretty sequins in there. Sequins mix. And then we have these gorgeous beads. These wired beads. In beautiful metallic blue, pink and white, and we've got glittery hearts there. Really, really, really pretty. I don't know how she fitted these in. Really beautiful. And then we've got this gorgeous sequins mix. Really beautiful. Silvers and blues. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then in this last little packet, we have got these gorgeous shaker embellishments. They're like stamps, all glittery. This moment, and it's got a Christmas tree. Really, really beautiful. And then another one with snow day and ice skates. Really, really beautiful, beautiful package. Thank you so much, Chloe. Oh, unavailable. No, this next package is my Elves box by Sophie and Toffee, and it is Beam Me Up October. Oh, should be getting another one soon then. I'm a little bit behind, clearly. So what do we get in this box? We get these cute little inserts, like insert stickers of aliens and astronauts and a cow. We get odorless UV resin, some painter's tape, but I think that maybe resin tape as well. Crystal Tech. Oh, okay, so it's transparent, like bracelet type thread. And ooh, bright yellow powder, like colouring powder. I wonder whether it's glow in the dark. And okay, all of these like jewellery backings and stuff. So we've got some jump rings, some earring pieces, and like necklace clasps, like the lobster clasps. So we've got a whole little thing of those. And then we also get these bezels here. So we've got a wavy line sort of one. We've got a cute little cow. That's so adorable. And a spaceship. And an alien. So what you would do is like put the tape down on the back, and then you'd fill this in with your UV resin, your coloured UV resin, and wait for that to dry, and then it will be like a piece. Ooh! And then we've got some colours, some like resin colours, and we have these, or this rather, this mould, which has got a spaceship, a rocket, it's got a little astronaut, oh, a couple of little astronauts, some aliens, some stars, the Earth, moon, a satellite. That's really Really, really fabulous. Oh, and it's got a little dinky cow as well. That's cool. I like that. That's really, really cute. Really cute. And I want to see whether that is glow in the dark. Yes, glow in the dark powder. So yeah, they're calling this bezel tape. So you would put that on the back of the bezels so that you can colour them in, so they'd end up looking something like this. In the end. And look, they've made earrings from me. That's cute. That is very cute. So I will hopefully get to doing that in the new year. Ooh, we've got a Sherbet Lane box. So I used to get these quite a lot, like when they were doing the monthly, and then I stopped, and then they sent me an email because they were going to stop doing the monthly. They're doing them every sort of quarterly, I think. So I started up doing that, and I forget, because it's not every month that I get one. I forget that I'm even doing it. So yeah, we've got Sherbet Lane, and it looks, look at that, 12 days of winter, and it's a 12-day advent calendar. How amazing is that? Winning ticket will be announced on the 24th. Okay, so I've got to keep hold of that. See whether I win anything. See if I win anything. Okay, so I'm gonna, I suppose, put that with my other calendars and open it with them.
It's the first you're doing. It's the first, yeah?
Yeah, it's the first. But this is a 12-day one.
Oh,
So.
okay, yeah.
Crawler box. Okay, for the scrawler box, let me have a look in the. Ooh. So what's the. Thing for this month? Here we go. It's alive. Grab onto your paints and brushes. We're heading into an alternate reality where everything may not be as it seems. As inspired by the mystical style of our featured artist, we implore you to think outside the box. Channel the fictitious and get creative in the way that only exists in your imagination. Mythical monsters. Oh, that sounds really fun. So that is the prompt this month for the scrawler box is mythical monsters. And here is the artist print here. So that is fabulous, and we get an A5 watercolour paper pad here, and then a bit of tissue with everything trying to escape. We get a cherry sticks, Chupa Chups cherry stick, yum yum. Well, unfortunate, Evie's not here to steal it from me. And we get a paintbrush, number 8 paintbrush. And then we get some of these gorgeous Winsor & Newton, oh, and a sticker, Winsor & Newton paints. So we, they are gouache paints, and we get, what colour red is this? What type of red? No, that says permanent. Azorapin Crimson. And then we get a yellow, which is Yellow Deep. And then a blue, which is Perusian Blue. And that's what we get in our smaller box. I'm looking forward to doing that one. Got my paper craft for this month. My Simply Cards and Paper Craft magazine for this month. And in it, it had this opulent ornaments, like die cut, I think they're die cuts, book. Uh, 101 elements, so it's just got these beautiful like pop out sort of die cuts. I can't say that like don't really tend to use stuff like this. It tends to sit in a drawer, even though they're very pretty. The papers, yes, I will use. These are gorgeous papers. Oh, look at that gold gilding. Really, really, really pretty. And I love the colour behind it as well. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. And then the more muted sort of papers here. And still really very pretty colours. Snowflakes, more baubles, some feathers or leaves, and then this kind of pop art almost kind of bauble effect. And more leaves. Really, really beautiful colours. Oh, I like that one. Very Christmassy. So yeah, really, really nice pad. And then just the magazine for inspiration and bits on how to use your free gift. Right. And this is issue number 264. So yeah, that is the last piece of fun post I got. So yeah, huge thank you to both Chloe at the Rainbow Crafter and Kat over at Kat's Planner for my wonderful mail. I will link their details in the description box below. And a huge thank you to you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I will hopefully see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Love ya. Bye.